Hi, this is Jason, and today's date is the 20th of March 2021. And I just want to do some quick technical analysis on Bitcoin, as I believe an imminent movement is looking likely. So, from the 20th of Feb, roughly, we've seen this cup and handle formation play out essentially, and it's taken about a month. And generally, the longer patterns take, the bigger the breakout, and a month is a long time in the world of crypto. If we look at the general cup and handle in theory, we see this cup here, and then we see this little pullback and then breakout. So the significant line is this neckline here, this horizontal neckline, and then we break out, and then essentially the price target is from this line to the apex or the bottom of the cup, and we extrapolate it here. So we can see it's a horizontal line. What we've seen here is a bit more unconventional. So ideally, if I get the line chart out, ideally this would be the line. This would be the neckline. And then we see a tiny handle here, and then we break out. So you would have put a position when just about here, just about above 58,500. So this cup and handle is a bit unconventional, and I'll explain why. Number one is we had this massive candle on a Saturday, and then the next day on a Sunday we had this TD sequential on the 9. So when a 9 is hit or flashes, usually we see a reversal on the subsequent days on this daily time frame. And secondly, because we saw this upshot on a Saturday, this meant that it was a weekend and therefore the CME futures was not open, which meant a gap basically from the trading day ending on a Friday to where it could have gone over the weekend. So essentially there were two opposing reasons why we didn't continue to see that upside. One, because of the TD sequential 9 on the daily, and two, because of the CME futures gap. So essentially we got this overreaction in this dump that we saw on the Monday following in order to, one, fill the gap, and two, be in accordance with the laws of TD sequential. However, since then we have seen a bit of a recovery and a bit of a ascending triangle in a sense. And in this bull market, with this ascending triangle, the likelihood of an upside breakout is more probable than a downside. So that is really it. I do believe, although a bit of a disjointed cup and handle, this is still a pretty valid pattern. So we should be seeing some movement, either upside or downside movement in the next few days. So I'd say by the 22nd of March or 23rd of March, we would have we would know which direction we're going by then.